Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start in YouTube Studio, click Audio Library and scan options. Use filters for genre, mood, duration, and especially attribution. This tells you whether credit is required. Preview several tracks to assess energy, tempo, and where the cue points sit. Once you've shortlisted 2-3 candidates, note the exact title, artist, and whether attribution or restrictions apply so you don't hit a legal snag later. This first step saves time. Choose tracks that match pacing and emotional beats for your video. After selecting a track, download the file in MP3 or WAV and keep the original file name to match the library listing. Create a clear folder structure. Project name audio for usable files and project name attribution for any copy you must place in descriptions. Log metadata, total duration, ideal start and end times, and the exact attribution text if required, so you can paste it later without mistakes. Once done, import the audio into your editor and align it with your visual cuts. Finalize by inserting the required attribution into your video description exactly as written in the audio library. This avoids takedowns. Mix audio levels and aim for a -6 dB peak to preserve headroom, then export using your standard settings. If YouTube issues a claim after upload, don't panic. Check the track title and artist against your log, confirm the attribution spelling, and use YouTube's dispute flow if you complied. If the problem persists, swap the track and re-export to meet deadlines.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.